Hello, welcome back to WINFX Trading YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. In today's video, I'm gonna show you something that you haven't come across, and this thing has made a lot of people lose a lot of money. And today I'm treating this. The topic is moving average news forex trading strategy, XAUUSD, US30, GBPUSD. Okay, before I go to the chart, we need to read this note. When the moving average loop in M15 or M5 is modeling the trend of the market, the news goes in the direction of the trend. Most of the time, it goes in the direction of the trend. Most time, it retraces into the EMA loop and then goes in the direction of the trend. This idea of news trend confluence has 95% win rate, meaning that it can fail 5% of time. You can use market, stop, or limit orders to place a trade. So I'm going to show you this on a gold market, and then we go ahead to see how this can become realistic. Okay, this is gold market, and this is the moving averages, the moving average loop. You have 3 moving averages, and they are all EMA exponential. So one is 50, the other is 100, and the other is 200. Their colors are given. Black, 200 is black, and blue is red. Blue is 100 and red is 50. So we are going to see how this thing works. So yesterday, that was a CPI yesterday, being Thursday. Today is Friday. So before the CPI launched, gold basically was trading this way. See what gold was doing, and then it is using the moving average loop as what? Support. So the moving average loop become a support. All you need to do is to follow the idea of this video. That is, what is the trend modeled by the moving average? Since the price candles, the candlesticks are above the black moving average, it means that gold is going to buy when the news is released. So you are going to buy gold. You can enter at market price. Most time, if the price is far away from the moving average, what gold will do, or other assets like GBPUSD, they will dip into the moving average loop. They will dip into the loop and then shoot in the direction of the EMA, in the direction of the EMA loop. Okay, what models the direction of EMA loop is the moving average 200. So if the moving average 200 is pointing upwards, if the price are acting above it, then it is going to be buy direction. But if it is downwards, it's going to be a sell direction. Okay, so that's cool. We're going to consider another scenario in 5 minutes time frame. So this is 5 minutes time frame. So this is where the news happen. So the price is trading above the moving average, meaning it's going up, and so the news happen here. All you need to do is to place that trade 5 minutes to the release of the news. Just place the trade 5 minutes. Just place the trade at market price. I've not mentioned about the stop loss. The best idea is to make sure that your stop loss is a little bit about the black moving average. So since we are buying, the stop loss should be below the black moving average. Just measure the distance between the red and the black. So this is 3 pips. So you are going to give 3 pips from the black away from the black. So 3 pips. So this will be a stop loss, and you should have wrote good, like you should have followed good. and generated over 450 pips. That's crazy. Okay, this is over 450 pips. If you check well, this is over 450 pips. That's good. That's good. These are some of the things a lot of traders are missing, and I think with this idea you can go far in this market. Trading news. There will be another video about how to use 5 minutes and 1 minute candlesticks to trade news. In that case, I will not be talking about the moving average. Okay, so that will be cool. Thank you. Keep coming to WINFX Trading. Make sure you subscribe to our VIP channels and enroll for our courses so that you actually trade the way we trade it. You see, when each time we enter trade, we come out with big profit. So you expected to do the same because you are our subscribers and you shouldn't be left behind. Okay, invest in developing yourself, and try to refresh the effort of successful traders. And how do you do that? You do that by subscribing to our VIP. The same trade we trade, you copy and paste the same trade. Very soon we'll be launching copy trading and VPS, and so you have to start by joining our Telegram channel first and subscribing to the VIP channels. When you are done with this, when the time to launch our copy trading program, you'll be able to have the opportunity to join as well. But start somewhere. So thank you and bye for now.